Hi everyone, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome my dear friends at this YouTube channel and at this Facebook page. If you are watching to me, I think that you would not ignore to me. If you are a student, if you want to learn something in your life, if you want to do something better in your life, you must watch in this video in last. If you are thinking if you are making ambition in your life, you must think lot of us about yourself. If you want to gain something well in your life, my dear friends, you must think lot of us. If you want to gain better, so what we would talking in this video, I think that my dear friends, we are making video practice. What is practice? Practice is the most important in life. You must know that at this time practice is the key for the success in your life, because he makes successful person in your life. If you are a student, you must not forget at this talk. If you are going to do any work, you know that at this talk, my dear friends, you must know that at this talk. If you would not do as, you would not gain better response in your life, you would not do better in your life. You must think lot of us. We are talking about all the practice. What is practice, my dear friends? Practice, I think that if you want to gain something better in your life, you have to do practice. If you would not do as, I think that you would not gain better response in your life. And I would like to say, my dear friends, you would give time yourself as much as you can give yourself, because time is precious. You must not forget at this talk. Who waste it, they would never settle in his life. You must not forget at this talk. So use your time. If you are thinking you have lot of time, you put out in your mind. Because time will be spending slowly. You would not know at this talk. You must know at this talk, my dear friends. And you have to, if you are making ambition in your life, if you want to do better in your life, you have to know yourself, and you have to think deeply in your mind. You have to know, you have to recognize about the potential, what you can do in your life. You have to think lot of us. So we are talking about of the practice, my dear friend. Practice is the most important for everyone student who is UPSC student or IIT or Neet student. I think that it is a high level of preparation. Very few people would think about of the UPSC. Otherwise, everyone ignore UPSC. What is UPSC? UPSC. I hope you are getting understand if you are a student. So you must know that at this time, my dear friends, and what become to me. If I would say to you, I am a happy person in my life, and I always live happy. If I would told to you and give copy and a pen to you, and I order to you, you live 100 times at this copy, at this this pen, from this pen. So what became in your mind set, and you think that I will live happy. So as in your life, who are you surviving? You must know that at this time, my dear friends. So I am already saying to you, every successful person behind a painful story. Every successful person behind a painful story. You must know that at this talk, my dear friends, painful story. And this painful story make successful ending. You must know that at this talk. So accept it. Accept it, my dear friends, and get ready to success. क्या हुआ, right? Have to remove it is problem for me. क्योंकि मैं पहले भी वीडियो बना रहा था तो यहीं पर लाइट गया था। ओके माय डियर